YOM is a new token for gamers, and these guys, they are seriously building. In fact, they are being backed up by Avalanche, popularly known as Avax. Yes, if you are into crypto, you should know Avax by now. That's to tell you how big this project is. Obviously, I'm not here to talk about the whole network, gaming, whatever. I'm just here to talk about the airdrop, the free part, how to make money from it. That is all I'm bothered about. So let's dive into the main gist. Their TGE will be around, I think, first quarter 2026. That should be between January, February, March. We should be expecting the launch of their token and probably airdrop distribution to every eligible participant. So here on this video, I just want to guide you through the simple step to participate on their airdrop and probably get qualified before distribution. So let's get started with the tutorial ASAP. This is the link I'll be giving to you. You'll be asked to connect wallet like this. Just click on connect wallet, and preferably your MetaMask or Trust wallets. Click on connect, click to sign, click confirm. This is what the interface would look like. Come here to connect your X accounts, authorize X accounts, click on go to accounts. So let's follow them and click on claim to claim our points. So as you can see, it has been done. Next one has been opened to connect Discord. Okay, so these are just simple tasks to be done. So let's connect the Discord ASAP. So just click on that connect Discord button, click on authorize. Once done, come back, click on see more. You just need to accept the invites, click on verify start. So just in case this start button isn't coming up, click here. Okay, just verify the process, then you come back and click on start verification. Solve your puzzle and you're good to go. Once done, you will be asked to sign up allowed lists. Just click on this allowed lists. Come here, give your EVM address and email, optional, then click on submit. Make sure you're using the same EVM you used for the airdrop. Okay, so once you're done, come back here to claim your Discord points. Come here on daily basics to check in. This is another quest. They say you should submit post. Just click on that. Yeah, all you just have to do now is to make a post concerning YOM and tag this handle, tag it, copy the link, and you come here and paste it. So let's do it ASAP. First of all, go to our X account, click on this plus button, then posts. After making the post, go to your profile. Here's the post I did. Just click on this share icon, copy the link, go back to the task section, just paste the link here and you claim. Alright, so to get your referral link, here it is. Just click on get my referral link. You're good to go. Should be the thing simple as it takes yam. Now so it's very simple. Just do this and you're good to go. Nothing more, nothing less. See you on the next video. Bye for now.